Hey guys, for more than 20 years, our Norwex UPP laundry detergent has been cleaning stubborn stains and odors out of laundry. And you might ask why? Why has it been such a perennial favorite with everyone who comes across it? Really, it's super simple. It works. The product absolutely works. It works to remove even stubborn stains, even those weird odors that might be in your laundry, and it whitens and brightens your laundry at the same time. So it's this incredible, all-around, all-purpose, amazing laundry detergent. And it does that even with using biodegradable ingredients, biodegradable surfactants, and of course, none of the nasty ingredients. Some of the laundry detergents that might be available out there can have things like phthalates and parabens and phosphates and chlorine, synthetic dyes, synthetic fragrances, even optical brighteners. And our UPP has none of the bad stuff. So it's just pure, good stuff to get your laundry done in the most effective and efficient way. Families love it also because it's super concentrated, and I mean super duper concentrated. 2/3 of this little scoop here will do a typical average load of laundry. And depending on your water type and how dirty your laundry is, you can potentially use even less. So it's easy on the wallet and helps stretch $1 and do so in a way that still allows you to get your clothes incredibly clean. This bag that we have for this month's special is actually able to do 50 high efficiency loads, this little bag, or 33 standard loads. So at least, right, depending on what kind of water you have and that dirt load again. So it's an incredible product. It works great in all temperatures, even cold water. So if you're looking to save a little bit on your energy bill and use cold water, this is the product for you. And it works fantastic on virtually all fabric types. So if it's a washable fabric, you can look to use UPP on it. So it's super gentle, but again, incredibly effective. Now, if you're traveling, doing a little bit of traveling as we go into the fall, this is great to travel with. Get a little bit and take it with you. You can hand wash your clothes. I like to do that so I don't have to carry as many with me in the sink and dry them. And you're not carrying water. You don't have to worry about the 3-ounce limit. So it's a great product to take with you as you travel too. So an incredibly effective product, works in any different temperatures, all different types of fabrics. It doesn't have any of the nasty ingredients that you're trying to avoid to create your own safe haven, and does it being very gentle on the wallet because it is so super concentrated. So this is probably right behind our microfiber. This is an amazing product that will change how you do laundry and help you to Norwex your laundry room.